KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Monday, March 30th. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather mostly dry today, but rain and storms will come back tomorrow. A chance of severe storms for the southern half of the state. Let's talk about it. There's the upper look this morning. It's a zonal flow. And in that flow, there is a trough in the southwest United States that will move rapidly eastward, setting up that wet day tomorrow. Actually, a little rain on radar early this morning. This was shortly before 5. But again, we think for most of this day, the weather will be dry. Starting off the day in the 50s and 60s, high should be in the 70s today. There's the watch warning map. Still some winter weather issues for the northwest United States and also the northern tip of Maine. Things quiet down here. A chance of strong storms today and tonight west of the state. Parts of Oklahoma, Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi. And then tomorrow, we've got a risk of severe storms across parts of South Alabama. The standard slight risk is south of a line from Linden to Clanton and Opelika. And there is a marginal risk as far north as Jasper and Aniana, Jacksonville, but the air north of Interstate 20 is going to be awfully cool and stable. The main action is going to be down to the south. And we'll talk about the specifics on this in a moment. Then for day 3, which is Wednesday, no severe weather expected across the country. Rain for the next 7 days, bigger values south and west of here. Amounts for most Alabama communities about 1 inch. So, model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS, the OZ run, valid this afternoon at 4. You can see the trough coming out of the southwest. But again, for us, the day mostly dry. A mixture of clouds and sunshine, highs in the 70s. Tomorrow, we go wet. And actually, by 4 o'clock, that surface low is already in Georgia. So the better chance of rain and storms could be in the morning and early afternoon hours. This is 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, and this is 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And at that point, those storms down in southeast Alabama could be severe, with all modes of severe weather possible for them. This is the instability at 1 o'clock tomorrow, and there isn't any for the northern half of the state. Thunderstorms north of Interstate 20 will be elevated. Amounts of South Alabama, the Cape values, about 1,000 to 1,500 joules per kilogram. This is the SRH, the storm relative helicity, the higher values over east and northeast Alabama and north Georgia, back in the stable air. However, they are sufficient in southeast Alabama for some rotating updrafts. And this is the STP, the significant tornado parameter, showing the higher values over southeast Alabama. So if you are in places like Dothan, Ozark, Troy, Luverne, Enterprise, Andalusia, Opp, Evergreen, Greenville, just be aware that some storms tomorrow morning, early tomorrow afternoon, could produce hail, strong winds, maybe an isolated tornado. And again, no real concerns for the northern half of the state. Wednesday, we're dry. Now, we start the day well down in the 30s and 40s. You see the 30s up there in the Tennessee Valley. It's conceivable there could be a few of the colder pockets over North Alabama with some scattered light frost. Not widespread, but just be aware of that. But the day should be sunny, and the high on Wednesday will likely be in the low to mid-60s, noticeably cooler. This is Thursday. We're still dry. High Thursday close to 70, and this is Friday. Mid-70s are likely with a mixture of clouds and sunshine, rain to the west. That rain comes in here Saturday, but this is probably not a big rain event, just periods of rain, not a severe weather look. And then Sunday, that feature is mostly on by. The high Sunday will be in the 70s, and this is a week from today, Monday, the 6th of April. Trough in the west, ridge in the east, and that looks wet if this verifies. Let's go out 10 days, Wednesday of next week, April 8th. Again, troughing way out west, and for us, that looks dry. Here's the rain for Birmingham for the next 15 days from the European ensemble. The mean between 3 and 4 inches, which is about what you expect this time of the year. This is a wet, stormy period for us, March, April. You see the cooler air tomorrow and Wednesday with highs dropping in the 60s, but really after that, highs well up in the 70s on through April 9th. I still firmly believe we have one more frost or freeze coming, but no evidence of that in this modeling. Here's the CPC outlook. This is April 6th through the 12th, showing temperatures above average for the Gulf Coast region, below average just north of here. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.